In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Blinkies to Neocities. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by opening up your files, and then you have to basically drop your Blinky in here. If you don't have one, you can just create it anywhere you want. And then, of course, from here, you could either drop it directly in here or go and create a separate folder named Images. I'm just going to drop it in here for ease of use, and I'm actually going to select this one over here, which is just going to say hello there. It's just a random Blinky which I generated. There we go. As you can see, it's a GIF. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually rename this one to simply Blinky. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this as well, and I'm going to click on rename. Okay. There we go. The first part is done. Then you want to go inside index.html, and in here inside index.html, you want to select where you actually want your Blinky to be. Okay. So this is my site over here. That's what it looks like. And let's just say I want the Blinky to be here at the very bottom. So I'm going to go to the bottom here, and I'm actually going to remove this audio because I don't need it, just like this. There we go. And I'm actually going to put it down here. So what you have to do here is actually very, very simple. Let me remove these lines I don't need. There we go. To put it in here, what you have to do is do the following. So you want to actually make like a similar code block to this one up here. So in HTML, you want to type in this bracket, img, and then you want to do a spacebar, src, and then equal sign, and then from here you want to do these quotation marks, and you want to type in the name of your image. So I'm going to do blinky.gif. Now, if you have it anywhere else, but not inside your main dashboard over here, you would have to do, for example, if you have it inside the images folder, you would have to type here images and then slash blinky.gif, okay? So to give it the kind of the link to where it is, and then you want to finish this with the quotation marks yet again, and then you can also give it some alt text. For example, I'm going to do alt, and I'm just going to type in, this is my Blinky, okay? So very simple, very straightforward. Now, when you do that, at the very end, you want to end it with this bracket as well over here. And then if I click on the save button up top, you'll see that if I go and refresh my site, my Blinky is now going to be in here just like this, okay? Of course, you could change its size as well if you want to. There's a bunch of different things you could do. So if you want to like move it around, stuff like that, you could do that with, for example, like using ChatGPT or maybe like another coder, maybe like Gemini, something like this. You can just ask it how to resize, how to move it, etc. And it's going to tell you exactly how to do it, okay? But now, for now, let's just basically make this one a bit bigger, because usually when you are importing this in, I assume you will want it to kind of look a bit bigger. So let me now show you how to do this. Now, the easiest way to do so is simply by going back into your code here, and then inside your code, where you've put your alt text, you want to go to the end just before this bracket, put a new spacebar, do style, and then next to style, do an equal, and then again, here you want to type in width. There we go. I'm going to do just like that. I'm going to make it 500 px or pixels, and then I'm going to make height auto, okay? So something just like this, auto. There we go. And then I'm going to do that, and there we go. This should now work if I click on save. If I go ahead and refresh it, there we go, it's a bit bigger, and here is my Blinky. So that's how you add it in there. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.